Hi, kids. It's been a very long time. Yes, I know all of you were busy with your schools, online classes, and other things. Even Veda was too busy with her own things, so I couldn't get a time for this. So, whatever, I'm now here to tell you a very good story from the collections of Panchatantra tales. Shall we get into the story quickly? Okay, then. So let's get into the story. Today's story name is Greed Never Pays. Greed means the feeling that we have in excess to need or want something in excess, like more than what we actually need. So that is called greed. Okay? So that kind of greed never pays. Let us see how it is. Okay? So let me start the story. In a small town lived four young boys. They were so poor that they decided to leave their town and travel to earn money. They took a dip in a river nearby, and when they came out of the water, after offering their prayers, a sage greeted them. The boys narrated their suffering to the sage, who took pity on them and gave them 4 pearls. He told them, I am giving you 4 pearls, one for each one of you. Travel to the mountains and stop when a pearl slips from your hand. You are sure to find a treasure there. The boys left for the mountains in search of a treasure. They were just a quarter way up the mountain range when a pearl slipped out of a boy's hand. All of them stopped and dug up the spot excitedly. They found copper at the end of the digging. The boy was very happy and decided to go back home with the copper. But the other three felt that they needed to find gold. They traveled for a few more days when a pearl slipped out of another boy's hand. On digging up the place, they found silver. The boy decided to pack the silver and head for his little town, while the other two decided to travel ahead in the search of gold. They traveled across rough mountains when another pearl slipped and fell at a spot. The boys dug up the spot and finally there it was, the shining gold. One of the two boys said, Look, we have finally found what we were looking for. Let us take it and go home. To that, the other boy replied, Think about it. Every step we have taken ahead has given better results. First it was copper, then it was silver, and now it is gold. I'm sure there must be something more precious than gold ahead. Saying so, the boy decided to go ahead, while the one who found the gold could only shake his head in disapproval at his friend's greed. So now, kids, the boys got the gold, but the other boy is not satisfied with the gold. He wanted more. So which is called as greed. So now 3 boys had gone home with their treasures and the fourth boy traveled for days and finally he came across a spot where there was a man standing with a wheel spinning on top of his head. The boy asked, Who are you and why is this wheel spinning on your head? The moment the boy uttered these words, the wheel shifted from the man's head to the boy's head. The wheel caused a lot of pain, and the boy looked at the man in disbelief and cried, Take this thing off my head! The man replied, No one can remove the wheel. You will be saved from this pain when another boy like you comes to this spot in search of wealth and asks the same question you just asked. The magic of this wheel is that you will not feel any hunger or thirst, but you will only feel the pain that greed causes. The man left while the boy stood there repenting at how his greed had brought him such misfortune. So, kids, the greed of that boy has got him in this trouble. So, now you have understand What is greed? The need for more than we actually deserve. So, well, hope you got the story, the moral from it. Well, we'll meet you with next story when I get time. So, till then, have a good time and have great fun. Study well, enjoy well, take care of your parents. We'll meet you with a next good story. Okay, bye.